How to join someone's TikTok live. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can join someone's TikTok live. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to join someone's TikTok live, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. After you are successfully logged in into your TikTok account, you'll be finding your For You page with different kind of videos. So you're just gonna go up to the live section at the top left. You can find that live option very easily. Just tap on it and you'll be taken to another page. So here you'll be finding different people on your live section. When you scroll up or scroll down, you'll be finding various people on the live that are going on live. So you just need to click on this multi-guest request at the bottom, and when you click on it you can find this option called request to join as a guest. Tap on request, and if that person accepts, the person who is on live accepts your request, you will be able to go live together with that person. So that's how you basically join live of someone. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.